The V-brush is the ultimate tool for decompacting, leveling, and brushing your synthetic surfaces. Made entirely of nylon fibers, the V-brush is recommended by synthetic turf manufacturers for optimal maintenance, without risking damage to the turf or its fibers. It is especially effective on natural infill materials such as quartz, cork, coconut fiber, corn cobs, and olive pits, as well as SBR and EPDM granules. The V-brush easily and quickly attaches to your tractor. Its attachment system lets you adjust the pressure of the tool on the turf, keeping the brushes firmly pressed against the ground throughout the operation. The first brush has very rigid bristles, which excel at decompaction, moss removal, and weed control. Height adjustable, it allows you to fine-tune the intensity of the work according to the terrain and its level of compaction. The second brush, arranged in a V shape, is designed to move infill material in all directions, providing true leveling action. Its movement restores surface flatness by setting excess material in motion and breaking it up. Finally, the finishing brush straightens the synthetic turf fibers and provides the final leveling touch. Because it is larger than the other brushes, it prevents material from accumulating at the edges. Depending on the type of infill and with the manufacturer's approval, you can replace the decompaction brush with a comb kit featuring vertical metal teeth. The cart allows for upright storage of the V-brush, making it easier to move and put away. In this position, the brush fibers are protected from potential deformation. With regular maintenance using the V-brush, you'll preserve the optimal performance and longevity of your synthetic turf.